If you have a teenager who is approaching the age of driving, there are many things you will need to do to get him ready, including selecting which car he should drive and getting car insurance for him. You will want to find out how the laws in your state work as far as teenage drivers. For instance, in many states you can get a driver's permit for the youth 6 months before their 16th birthday, although they cannot get an official license until their birthday. Many high schools will offer driver education courses either as a part of their general curriculum or as an early morning or after-school type of class. These courses include classroom instruction on all of the rules and regulations of the road, and your teenager will be required to take a written exam and pass it with a specific score before he can go on to the next phase of the class, which is physically learning to drive a car. The school will provide special student cars that are designed so that the instructor can take over control of the car's functions if needed. Usually 3 students will go in the car with the instructor and take turns driving. The first part of the lessons will take place on a roped-off or delineated driving range. This often has lines painted on it, and the instructor may also use cones as he teaches the students how to turn and how to drive within a lane. After a certain number of hours on the driving range, the instructor will take the students out on the city streets and help them learn how to drive in a real-life situation. After they have completed the specified number of hours driving with the instructor, they will take an actual driving exam where they will be graded on their driving skills. They must receive a minimum grade on the driving test before they can get their driver license. You should check with your car insurance company to insure your teenager before you get his learning permit, and find out if that will be a different cost than when he actually gets his license. It is important to note that car insurance for teen drivers is generally quite a bit higher than for a driver who is over the age of 25. If your child is a good student, you may be eligible for a discount. Also, there are some insurance companies who give discounts to your teen drivers if you have an excellent driving record. It may be the perfect time to do some shopping around for lower prices on car insurance for both yourself and your teen driver. Remember that in most states, the student is required to drive for a certain number of hours with their parents or a licensed adult before he can receive his license, as well as taking a driver education course either through their school or from a private company. Some parents prefer using a private instructor. In any case, there is a lot to think about when you are getting your teenager ready to drive. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.